Hey guys, welcome to Living Irving. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to clean your makeup brushes quick and easy. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So first you want to make sure that your sink is clean and sanitary before you start cleaning your brushes. Right now I have some lavender smelling spick and span, and I'm just wiping down everything, making sure everything is sanitized because you will be using these brushes on yourself as well as clients. Next, I'm going to be using some olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and some soap powder that I purchased from the dollar store called Roma. This stuff is very affordable and great. What you're looking at is all of my nasty, dirty, filthy brushes. So what I'm doing is showing you what the brushes look like, and I'm going to go ahead and drop those down in the sink and turn on some water and just kind of get a little bit of water on them. Then I'm going to take the laundry detergent called Roma and sprinkle some over those brushes, and then just take your hands and start rubbing that into the brushes and rinse and repeat. This stuff is so amazing and so affordable. It will clean your brushes, I promise you, in like a matter of seconds. So what I'm doing right now is just taking a few capfuls of apple cider vinegar and olive oil, and as I clean the brushes, I like to flip them upside down, and what this does is just softens the bristles and make sure that they're moisturized and stay soft after using the Roma. And basically what you do is just continue and repeat the process until all your brushes are clean. So you see me doing the next batch, and I'm just quickly rubbing everything into the brushes. And again, this stuff is so amazing. Your brushes will be done in a matter of minutes, and just keep repeating and cleaning. Make sure that you're rinsing your brushes good, and then what I do is line them up once they're rinsed out really good, where you don't see any soap or any makeup coming out. I just line them up on a napkin and wait to take them into the drying process. What I'm doing now is cleaning my beauty blenders, and I put a little bit of the Roma inside some water, a little bit of olive oil down there, and I just wash and squeeze until all of the makeup comes out. You'll know when they're clean when you squeeze and there's no more makeup, and right now they're clean. So I have everything ready, and now I'm going outdoors on my patio. If you want your brushes to be clean, to dry fast, then go outside and put them outside. And I have them all lined up as well as a fan, and let them dry for about 3 hours. And I'm going out to check. You see my little head stuff out there for my wigs, and this is the brushes. They're all clean and dry, and there are a few little stains on them, but that's okay. They are clean and dry, and that's basically it for this, guys. The brushes are clean. I've put them back in my little thingy, and that's it. Thanks for watching.